This video is going to show you how to make butterscotch fudge. All you need is 2 bags of butterscotch chips, which are 12-ounce bags. So you need 24 ounces of butterscotch chips. And you need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which is 14 ounces. And that's all you need to make butterscotch fudge. Very simple, easy recipe. You just got to make sure you keep your temperature on medium because you don't want to scorch it. Have a non-stick pan that you're doing this in. Then we're going to put it in a 9 by 13 inch pan and flatten it out. And I have parchment paper on it over here. 9 by 13 pan. You can put wax paper too if you like, or parchment paper works. See, the chips are already starting to melt. Knead it on medium heat and just keep stirring it. Once you get it to have this consistency where it's nice and creamy, then you want to turn your heat off. You don't want it to burn. Make sure all the chips are melted, all the milk is nice and incorporated. Start in the middle of your pan and spread it out. You just dump it in your pan and spread it out. Just dump it in the middle of your pan. Get all of it out. Then you just spread it out in your pan. And then to let it cool, you can just leave it on the table and let it cool that way, or if you're in a hurry, you can put it in the refrigerator or freezer for 20 minutes. Okay, once you get it all spread out, if you want a little fancy design in it, you can take your spoon back and forth and make little squigglies, just like that, all the way back and forth. So have a little squiggly marks in your fudge. Or you can just flatten it all flat. Our butterscotch fudge has been in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. So it's nice and set up. All you do is cut it. I use a pizza cutter because it's easier. You can use a knife if you want, but look how easy it is to just run it through. And you can make them different sizes if you want. They don't all have to be uniform. Some people like a big piece of fudge. Some people like a little piece of fudge. Just go down that way and then across this way. And I hope you enjoy my recipe for 2-ingredient butterscotch fudge. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your fudge.